Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to convert this simple image into this. To make this, we need to do first adjustment layer icon, curves, make this bigger, larger. This is the best point. Now select the curves layer, Control or Command I, and with the brush selected, paint on the eye. Okay, now we have brightened the eye up. Now what do we need to do? Go to the adjustment layer icon, make a hue saturation layer, check colorize. Okay, bring it till the end. It is your choice. I'm gonna take this color, Control or Command I, and just paint with white as the foreground color. Okay, now make another hue saturation layer, colorize. Now I am gonna take a bit of green right over here and Control or Command I and just paint on that. Okay, now this is a bit different, okay, but we have made that effect. So what did we do? First of all, on the background layer, we created the curves adjustment layer. We inverted the layer, the mask right over here, the mask. Then we painted on the eye to make that brighter. Okay, then see how did it for suppose this is just for demonstration. Okay, now just create a curves adjustment layer and make this higher. Now this is affecting the whole image, the skin, the eye, right here, highlights, everything. Now if you hit Control or Command I, it inverts that. Now with the brush, will you paint? Just that area will show up with white, because if you will suppose if you have a black colored paper, okay, black paper. Now with black paper you're painting with white color on that. What does it do? Where did you color? It becomes white, right? So similarly, the mask is our black paper and the area which we have painted is the white color. Okay, okay, I hope you have understand. Okay, now after doing this, I'll just delete this. Okay, after doing that, we have brightened the colored the eye. After that, we had done the hue saturation layer. Now it is similarly the same, just what did we do? Checked colorized, okay, took it to the full saturation, select what you want the color, Control or Command I, which is our black paper, color with the color you chose, paint with the color you chose. Okay, paint with the color you chose, the color will show up. Yeah, similarly as I explained you for the curves, right, the curves, okay, and for instance the left side is shadows and right side is highlights. Okay, when you take the shadows up, sorry, highlights up, the highlights will increase. You take take the shadows down, the highlights will decrease. Okay, or in simple words, when you take the highlights up, the highlights will increase. When you take the shadows down, the highlights will decrease or the shadows will increase. The same thing, yeah. Okay, now after doing that, you know what is the same thing. Now after this, we did the same steps of the hue saturation one layer. Check colorize, saturation to 100, chose whatever color we wanted, and it's the same right here. Okay, I have explained detailedly, okay, in this video. So bye bye.